Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Love, your science teacher for today. Join me as we explore science in the kingdom Plantae. Who among of you here have a garden at home or even different kinds of plants?
Now, how these plants reproduce. Plants, as all living things, need to meet the vital functions to be able to live: the nutrition, interaction, and reproduction.
Plants can be found in different places. They differ in size, shapes, colors, smell, or even the ways they produce. Like us humans and animals, they also undergo the process of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction in plants. You have the sexual reproduction and the asexual reproduction. Flowers are attractive parts of some plants, and their main purpose is for sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, it happens when pollen grains are transferred from one anthers, the male, to stigma, the female. This process is called pollination. Pollination happens through the help of different agents like wind, water, and insects like bees and butterflies attracted by the flower's petals. Parts of a flower. Stamen, the male part of a flower. Anther, the pollen-producing part. Filament, the connector or hole the anther. The pistil, the female part of a flower. The stigma, the sticky surface of the pistil stalk where the pollen germinates. Style, holds up the stigma. Ovary, contains ovules. Ovules, the eggs, and become the seed after the fertilization by pollen. Petals, the brightly colored to attract insects. Sepals, the modified leaves supports the bottom of the flower. There are two types of flowers. You have the perfect flower and the imperfect flower. How about these kinds of plants? How are they produced? They are produced through the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not need seeds to produce new plants. There's only one parent, so the new plant will be genetically identical. Imagine living in a world without these plants. What do you think will happen? There are plenty of things that we need to discover. The world is so big. It's time that we grow. Goodbye and see you in the next episode.